we make some cone shape like this from this sliced craft paper. We will make 8 flowers in total. 4 will be orange and other 4 will be sky blue in color. So it is done now. Now we are making the parts of the flowers with green craft paper. Let's cut those equally in a straight line. Now we are giving a V-shape cutting to all the flowers, just like this. Let's cut the birds now. Now put the flowers into the birds. See, it is look like a real flower now. Okay, we use this black art paper as the background of the frame. Now let's attach the flowers on the art paper with glue. Then we will attach the stem of the flowers, just like this. Now we are giving border of the frame, which is a cardboard, and we cover the cardboard with white paper so that it looks good, and also because we will do some design on it with glitter paper. Now we will attach the top, which is a piece of cardboard, and we will cover the cardboard with craft paper, and then we will make some design on it. So this is the glitter paper. Now cut the glitter paper like this. Okay, so this design will be our finishing touch. So let's finish this. So I am adding this thread so that I can hang it on the wall. So it is absolutely done now.